Hello students, this is Abdullah Momin, and in this video we are going to learn about the reflection of longitudinal wave. And one more thing, don't forget to take the quiz after watching this video. The link is given in the description. Before starting the topic, let us quickly revise some important things which we have already learned in our previous video, because this video is the second part of the previous video and both are connected. So I request you all, if you didn't watch it yet, then go watch the previous video. The link is given in the description and you can click on the I button. So the first thing which we are going to revise is the reflection of wave. So what is the reflection of wave? When a wave, progressive wave, is traveling in a medium and when it reflected back from the boundary or from the interface of another medium, this is called as reflection of wave. Echo is the example of reflection of wave. The sound get reflected by the boundary of some another medium. So sound is reflecting from the surface. That's how we know that wave can reflected. And there are two types of medium. So we are going to study them. First is denser medium and the another one is rarer medium. Denser medium means a medium which is having more density, or the particles or the mass of denser medium is very large as compared to rarer medium. Rarer medium means the medium in which the particles of the medium are separated to each other and the mass of the rarer medium is very small as compared to denser medium. So denser medium means heavy particle or rarer medium means light particle. So the next thing what we have studied in our previous lecture is the reflection of transverse wave. We have seen the two cases. In first case, we have seen that when transverse wave is reflected from a rigid support or from a denser medium, a crust is reflected as a trough and a trough is reflected as a crust. And there is a phase change of pi radian. And the second case, what we have seen in our previous video is when transverse wave is reflected from rarer medium, a crust is reflected as a crust and trough is reflected as a trough, and there is no phase change. Now we are going to see the reflection of longitudinal. We will see what happens when longitudinal wave reflect from a denser medium and what happens when a longitudinal wave reflect from a rarer medium. So reflection of longitudinal wave. Before starting this topic, what is longitudinal wave? We have studied the definition in introduction part. Longitudinal wave, when longitudinal wave travels in a medium gets alternately divided into compression and rarefaction. And compression is a high pressure region while rarefaction is a low pressure region. So the very first case which we are going to study, the reflection of a longitudinal wave from a denser medium. So the longitudinal wave is traveling from a rarer medium and strikes on the boundary of denser medium. Rarer medium, the particles are light. In denser medium, the particles are heavy. So suppose this longitudinal wave is traveling in a rarer medium and the compression and rarefactions are traveling in forward direction. So in longitudinal wave, the vibration of particles is forward and backward, and the wave is also traveling in forward direction. So the particles of this medium, the first particle is moving in forward direction. It is going to apply the force on the second particle, and since the second particle is of same mass, so it is going to move in forward direction, and the second particle will apply the pressure or force on the third particle, and the third particle will apply the force on fourth particle, and so on. All the particles are going to apply the force on their neighboring particle, and neighboring particle are going to move in forward direction. These are happening in rarer medium. The medium is same, the particles are having same mass. But what happens if the last particle of this rarer medium is going to collide with the first particle of the denser medium? Since it is a rigid wall, it is a heavy particle. So the when light particle applies the force on heavy particle, the heavy particle will not move. It is going to apply the equal and opposite reaction. So what we are going to say in this, so this light particle will travels in backward direction. It is going to reflect back. So this is the compression, which is high pressure region, which is striking with denser medium. And denser, since it is a denser medium, it is not going to move. So the high pressure region will be reflected back as a high pressure region. That means a compression will be reflected back as a compression, or we can say that when a compression, which is a high pressure region, strikes on the boundary of denser medium, it is reflected back as a compression. And if it is a rarefaction, that means low pressure region, it is going to reflect back as a rarefaction. And there is a phase change of pi radian in particle velocity. So what do you mean by phase change? So phase change is nothing but the direction of particle velocity. Now, before, when the incident wave is traveling towards the denser medium, all the particles are moving in forward direction. But after reflecting from the denser medium, all the particles are moving in reverse direction or in opposite direction. So the direction of particle velocity get reversed. Before reflection, they all are moving in forward direction, but after reflection, they are moving in backward direction. So what is the angle between these? What is the angle between the direction of particle velocity? So we can say that the direction of particle velocity has been changed by 180 degree or pi radian. So there is a phase change of pi radian. So we can conclude that when the longitudinal wave travels from a rarer medium to a denser medium, a compression is reflected as a compression, and a rarefaction is reflected as a rarefaction, and there is a phase change of pi radian during this reflection. This is shown in the diagram. The compression will reflected back as a compression. Because this is a rigid wall, it is not going to pass the pressure. The pressure, high pressure region will be reflected back as a high pressure region, or if it is a low pressure region, that means rarefaction, it is going to reflect back as a rarefaction, because the another medium from which the wave is reflecting, it is a denser medium, it is not going to move. So the next part is the reflection of longitudinal wave from the rarer medium. Now the wave is traveling in a denser medium. That means these are the heavy particles. They will apply or they will exert the force on one another. So these heavy particles will pushes one another, and when they will arrive at an interface of a rarer medium, since it is a rarer medium, the particles are small and their mass is very less as compared to the mass of the denser medium. So the heavy particle is coming toward the lighter particle, and that heavy particle is going to push the light particle. So the maximum pressure is going to transfer in the rarer medium. And what we will say, when a longitudinal wave travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, a compression is reflected back as a compression, and there is no change of phase. And when compression reaches the rarer medium from denser medium, due to this, the particle of the rarer medium get compressed and move forward, and a rarefaction is left behind. That's why compression will be reflected back as a rarefaction. So we will say that when a compression strikes on the boundary of the rarer medium, it is reflected back as a compression, and if it is a compression, it will reflect back as a rarefaction, and there is no phase change in the particle velocity. So what we have learned in this topic, reflection of wave, in the first part, in the previous video, we have seen that the reflection of transverse wave. Now what we have seen, reflection of longitudinal wave. We have seen the two cases of reflection of longitudinal wave. What happens when a longitudinal wave reflects from a denser medium? So when a longitudinal wave is reflected from a rigid support or denser medium, the compression is reflected back as a compression, or if it is a rarefaction, it is going to reflect back as a rarefaction. And we will say that there is a phase change of pi radian. Now in the next case, what we have seen, the reflection of longitudinal wave from a rarer medium. So when a longitudinal wave is reflected from a rarer medium, a compression is reflected as a rarefaction, and a rarefaction is reflected as a compression, and there is no reversal of velocity of particle. There is no change in direction of particle velocity. So we will say that there is no phase change. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.